Okay, we're going to take a quick tour of the Canvas calendar and some of the options you have available. First of all, of course, you can take a look at which classes you have available to you and decide if you want to reduce the clutter. You can unselect some calendars so you can just focus on what's coming up. You can take a look at the whole month, or you can just take a look at the week. In this case, everything is broken down into hours when it loads up. Look ahead into the next week, get more stuff going on. You can take a look at it as a list in the agenda, so that's helpful as well. You just want to see what's coming up as a list. But the feature I really want to focus on here is the scheduler. In some cases, I will have conference time scheduled if we want to talk about drafts or at the end of the quarter, revising papers for the portfolio. In this case, I'm going to use the scheduler to help figure out who's going to be moderating our discussions for each reading. And so we've got two options here: moderating a participation forum, and this one is for online students, because if you click on leading a class discussion, that means I'm expecting you to be in class leading the discussion. Technically, we can have up to 6 people kind of interacting or leading a discussion on a single reading, and so I do want to split them up. Some people in class, some people online, so that we've got maximum coverage. So in this case, let's say that you're in a face-to-face class and you want to lead a class discussion verbally. So you'll click on that and see what the available options are. In this case, it'll have the normal calendar items, but then it'll also have things that you can sign up for. So here you can see reading the Kelly Domesticated Cyborgs reading, and here the quiz. Of course, you need to get that completed before class, so the deadline is there, or the due date is there. It doesn't technically close on that date, just giving you an idea that that's when you should do. But here we have the sign up, so 3 available. Then you can click on here and you can reserve a spot. And then if you do that, it will actually appear on your regular calendar. Of course, I have slots available all quarter, so you'll need to click on this arrow button to kind of move from week to week or month to month. Let's see, or you can take a look at the, oh no, if you do that, then you're, so you can move from week to week to make sure that you've covered all the available slots. And of course, if the reading has not been selected yet and you coordinate with the other people, you should be able to see who else has signed up. Then you can coordinate with the other people to kind of determine what reading you guys want to discuss in class. That might be a little more complicated. You'll have to email people, but it is an option. Also, if I do get some really good suggestions on readings that are not yet on the optional reading. Let's see. Let me take a look at. Oh, that's the wrong class. You do have some options to take a look at what readings are coming up. So you can scroll down here to the bottom and take a look at the readings that have already been selected for the syllabus, and these are potential readings. So you can take a look at these and decide which of these you are interested in leading a discussion on, and if you coordinate with your group, you can pick those. But you can also help choose some of the articles that might be used later in the quarter. And if I approve of them, then I can add them to this list, and that can probably get on the syllabus. All right, that should be it.